right. Welcome everyone. Uh, in just in response to some questions I have before me here, and which is supplied by some of follower in this group in the channel, I want to quickly address some of those questions so that we can deal with them once and for all. All right. The first one is talking about email address. Say thank you. You helped me in my thesis. Do you have email? I'm biologist. Okay, I have an email, but why I don't share emails because I don't have enough time to respond to emails. People bombard me with a lot of emails. That's why I don't, because I don't have enough time to respond to all of the emails. That's why I don't share my email publicly. But I will attach the email in the comment below the box. Maybe you can just see there, right? All right, number two, my point won't drag altogether. Why might this be? This is under number four, semi-landmarks and template building. Okay, when you are building semi-landmarks, you have to understand that it's not actually a perfect concept to build a template. Okay, in that apps there. So you need to, actually, you can go back and watch the video again. I think something is not done right, actually. But I will advise that you just landmark your subject one after the other. I mean, individually. That is best or better for you. So instead of doing semi-landmark, I mean, doing a template for it, because sometimes templates for such app might not be very perfect. All right, you may need to, while you drag there, you may need to adjust things by yourself one by one, and in the process you may miss some things if you are not expert. All right, you may miss some point out. So I will advise that you just go straight forward, landmark your subject individually, and go. Since if you have at least not too many subjects to landmark, that will be perfect for you. All right, I think that is okay. Then very informative. Can I ask another way I can download Sage? Okay, I will provide. I've uploaded a Sage in the particular in my archive, so I will provide a link to download Sage for everyone. So the link will be provided below, so you can use the link to download Sage. All right. Number four. After an intense search, this was the only tutorial that helped me with my analysis. Thank you for the great explanation. I just wanted to change the colors of the box plot, but I couldn't find the correct script. Do you have any? This is what I have. All right, so I understand what you are trying to do. Now, there are two things that I'm going to explain here quickly. Number one is that when you are changing color of the boxes, now there are two ways to address it. Number one is that you have changed the color uniformly, I mean, of the boxes without looking at the number of species you have or number of categorical data you are addressed at the moment. So that is different. So I'm going to show you, provide a code for you, which I have written regarding this matter, so you can follow the code. Okay, here in this hard code, I hope you have seen this before. So I'm just trying to add some code to it again on that box plot. All right. So if you see below here, change the color of this is called custom color that you want to use now. All right. I'm going to change the color to your custom color. Now this is the code that I have written here. Say using this concept here. Okay. Now I have added here a fee manual value is equals to this one. I supply blue, orange, and green. All right. This concept, this means that I don't care about the color of individual categorical data. I mean each value. I don't care. You can pick any value they want. Okay. So that is that. But if I want to assign the color to, so for example, if I run this now, for example, to work fine. Okay. You can see the color is showing here, blue, orange, and green. But if I say, okay, I don't want to, I know the number of my categorical variable, which are 3. That's why I use this. Now, at the same time, I want to assign different colors to different categorical value. Okay, so that is another level. So that's when you use this. Okay, Now here, for Adeli, I want to assign blue. For Chinstrap, I want to apply orange, and for Gentoo, I want to assign green. So it can change anyhow. So now you are now assigning them per value of the individual categorical values, the data. So that is what I do. So here you can do the same thing here. We still work fine. You can see it work fine. This time around now I'm assigning them based on values. So if this, maybe this one is gender, male, female, for example, I can say okay, male red, female green. So which means I'm assigning the values, the color to each individual categorical values. So that is how you solve this matter. I hope this helps now. Thank you so much for listening. So going back to the questions, I think it's being addressed. All right. You say, hello, I have a problem trying to cluster my data set. I want to visualize the hierarchical cluster using two-way mode. I use classical clustering, UPGMA algorithm, and break cookies. But when I click on two-way and compute, it disappears. It displays my data as numbers and doesn't show the colored its map, red, blue. Is there a solution to fix this problem? I hope you or anyone who knows the program see this and can help me. All right. Actually, there's a limitation with a pass in displaying categorical values. All right, that's a limitation. But at least based on what you have seen that I've demonstrated or displayed, you can follow the same pattern and get it done in that same way. Okay, it cannot do more than that. But for your color not to be separated, display in different ways, it means that there's a problem with your categorical values. So what I do that I have provided my data set, which I use, all right, both the TPC file, original TPC file, that you can now build your own PCA. I also provide the PCA data in Excel sheet, which you can also supply, you can use to directly use to test your own if this problem is from your side or if the problem is the code. I mean, is the app. All right, so that is done. Then is there any chance to get past 2.7 somewhere? Yeah, the past 2.7 is no more available now, but I have a copy which I have uploaded, so you can download it and extract it. So it's a clickable portable file which you can run. It's not something that you installed. Okay, it doesn't require any installation. Just download, extract, and put it in your download folder. I mean your program files, and share on your desktop so that you will not delete it easily. That is what I do. So you can run it easily. So it's available now. I've provided the link to download past 2.17c. So it's not available online. All right. Then also thank you very much for the wonderful work. I don't know if you share the Excel file too for you to use. So like I said before, I've shared the Excel file for this one, for the clustering. I've shared it now already, both the TPS file and also the my PCA file that I use, which is extracted from TPS file anyway. So I gave you the TPS file so that you can do better, can do further analysis. And also you can also first use my PCA file to first test your own to see how it's working. All right. So this just to provide solution to the problem so far. I think this helps someone who have asked questions regarding this matter. So the Sage is provided. The Lori also is, I have added the Lori Lori app also app application, Lori software. I've added it to OC also. For that, it's for its map. Okay, the Sage is for bilateral symmetry, which is already added. So all of them are there already. So you can download them together. All right. So just click on the link for download. You will see all the apps there. Download them and use them. I thank you so much for joining, and I believe you can like and share for people to benefit from this program or this tutorial. Thank you. So I'll see you in the next coming series, which I'll be dealing with on Python machine learning and advanced concept with Python. So thank you so much. See you next time. Bye for now.